So this is how we will base our trades. Now snapshot the chart, because after this slide I will be opening a live chart, okay? I will be opening live chart to show you exactly how you should base your decisions, right? Okay, so effectively you're looking at Murrey octaves. So first of all, you're looking at Murrey octaves, and you need to see what will happen after the price has touched one of these levels. Okay, so you need to know, and you should always pay attention to where the price is gonna be sold and where the price is gonna be bought, right? So effectively, best is to buy from these levels. Okay, you can try to sell from these levels, but only after the price has rejected. Okay, and you want to sell from these levels, and you should always buy from 4.8 if there is confirmation and the price is above. Okay, maybe it sounds a little bit complicated, but these levels are meant to be traded like this. So we really want to focus our attention on a proper setup before we enter any trade. Now I will be opening my live chart, okay, and I will be showing you the exact template, right? So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. We should open 4-hour template and watch reaction, guys. Okay, if you were following previous slide, you can see that 4.8 is meant to be sold after the price comes from below, rejecting this region. What happens is effectively price came from 3.8 to 4.8, and then you see a big rejection. But that is not the time when you blindly enter the trade. You should not blindly enter the trade. First of all, you need to have awesome oscillator on the chart, and you need to have trend momentum on the chart. Now this is custom based indicator, and I'm guessing that you don't have it. So if you're interested, as I say, in this system and this indicator, of course I will send the complete template by email. So you just need to email me and you will get this, of course, for free. So using Murrey simple principles, we know that 4.8 is a major resistance, especially when it comes breaking 3.8. Mind you, however, that my Murrey indicator line shows 10.080. Why 10.080? Because Murrey lines are traded on 4-hour time frame, and we need to use weekly pivot points, not daily pivot points. This is swing trading. That is why you should put 10.08 on 4-hour time frame. Okay, I haven't tested it on lower time frames, so I cannot tell you that it's very effective on lower time frames, but at this point it's effective on 4-hour time frame. Okay, now so pay attention. 4.8 is rejecting the price. You need a confirmation of both of these indicators, and this is your confirmation. So you should short it here, because the price has rejected from 4.8, and awesome oscillator turned red, also trend momentum turned red. So you should align both of these indicators in order to enter a short trade, guys. Okay, so red, red, and bang, down we go. Okay, down we go. Now I strongly advise you to use trailing stop, because trailing stop will save you from losing an already profitable trade. Now guys, do not give me your emails now. I will send you my email, and you just need to make a request. I will write my email here. So it's tarantullafx@gmail.com. Okay, so this is my email. Please send the request to this email, tarantullafx gmail.com. So this is one of the examples. Now, what did we say? If the price comes rejecting 4.8, we don't want immediately to buy it here. Sometimes we will get the opportunity, but you need to pay attention to what your indicators are saying to you, okay? Now, watching the system, we can see that our first potential trade of this level was initiated here. And it was successful, you see? It was successful for 120 pips. Logically, stop loss should be placed either below the setup candle for aggressive stop loss placement or below last swing low. So here, so you should decide it based on your risk. I would usually place my stop loss below this candle and trade this with lower risk. Okay. So let's see another example. Okay. Price came from 2.8 to 3.8. Now guys, what did we say? When price initially comes from 2.8 to 3.8, do we sell it or buy it? Of course, guys, that we sell it. So this was initial, let's say, touch of the level. Sometimes you will not see a perfect touch of the level, but it's very close. So you should always use your logic. And this was your confirmation of a short trade here. Okay? And after some time, the price went something like 100 pips in your favor. Okay? Let's see other pairs. Let's see dollar yen, for example. Okay? Now, logically, guys, what did we say? 8.8. I know that many traders are suffering from buying resistance and selling into support. Now, I really encourage you to visit all my webinars, and I will be holding all sort of webinars on FXStreet also by using my principles of money management, risk management, and I really advise you to watch my session recap trades. Because so far on session recap trades, we have had more than 150 pips average profit. And as always, I always share results before each webinar. So my main principle, how I trade, is always sell into resistance until resistance becomes support. Okay? Mr. C is asking, where is session recap? Admiral Market session recap webinars each Monday. You should just click the website and sign in. It's very simple. And you should always be profitable just by only watching and trading how I suggest. Okay? And these webinars will help you to understand the core of the price action, guys. Do not buy into resistance until resistance has become support. Now logically, here you see this is your trade here. You need to be patient for these kind of trades. This is swing system. So this is your trade. This is another opportunity, guys, for you to trade. Here, see? And look at this. The price rejected from 8.8 to 7.8, 6.8. Almost touching 5.8. Now, if you compare previous slide, you will see that this is the case. This is the case when you trade as a professional trader.